Hey, this is Austin DePalma, Director of Marketing over at Social Toaster Inc. We do automated content marketing. And with that in mind, I wanted to actually talk about some video marketing best practices. Now, these are specific to the tourism industry, but can kind of be applied to a variety of different industries. So I will be talking tourism industry specific for this, but again, I think they can be extrapolated to any industry, your industry most likely. As we all know, video content, it rules right now. There's no competing against video content with images or carousels. Video is engaging, and right now 85% of Americans engage with video content online. So part of the reason for that is video gives us a specific feeling, and especially in the travel industry, travel's a subjective experience. So being able to take someone and put them firsthand in your location or your store or your bed and breakfast or your state for that matter, it really helps ingrain the prospective traveler, ingrain that mental picture of them enjoying your area, your state, again, whatever your tourism destination is. So with that in mind, what you first want to do is obviously make your video a video worth wearing. Yeah, if we could wear our videos, we would be. But make it a video worth sharing. So some of the key things to making a video worth sharing: focus on the story you're telling. Close-ups of tasty food, maybe the adventurous activities. You want to be able to show, again, the user what it is that's unique about your state, your facilities, what have you, and get them to envision themselves doing that activity. It's a little bit like in the real estate market where when you're selling a house, you depersonalize it. You take all of your personal photos and things out so that somebody else, when they walk through, can envision themselves in that space. And so what you want to do is give your prospective traveler the ability to envision themselves doing the things that make your area unique. Another thing to keep in mind when creating your video is that timing is crucial. So obviously in the spring and summer, you don't necessarily want to be running ads catered towards maybe winter sports or fall activities. It's not necessarily time period relevant to your users. So in the spring, harp on those summer and early fall things. In summer, harp on those early fall and late fall things. You want to plan your videos just as seasonally as you want to plan your ongoing marketing content. And the last thing with this is you really want to make sure that your video is mobile friendly. Research shows that over 90% of social media, digital media users are on a smart device, whether it's a phone or a tablet. And so, and you want to extrapolate this to your websites, obviously. But in the realm of these videos specifically, make sure that they're friendly to mobile. From there, once you've got a video worth sharing, you want to devise your distribution plan. And this can entail a variety of different ways. Put it up on YouTube. You can then run YouTube paid ads to people who either are in surrounding states or who have searched in the past for different travel destinations that may be like yours. You'll also probably want to put it on your social media profiles, and you can put them in natively or you can link back to your YouTube channel. Most research shows that native videos tend to do better on the social media network that they're posted to than YouTube videos. But I also understand that sometimes it's important to drive those KPI back to a YouTube video, not necessarily Facebook. So there's a couple of different ways you can do that. You also would likely want to incorporate this into any kind of email outreach that you're doing, whether it's to cold prospects, warm prospects, or the people who really help drive your brand, your fans, and your brand ambassadors. So having a multi-tiered distribution plan, not just on social media, but across all of your strategic media networks or venues is really important to ensuring that you get your content out. And then Finally, as a little closing to that, I did mention your brand ambassadors. We at Social Toaster like to call them superfans. And we provide a solution to take your superfans and condense them into one marketing vehicle so that you can easily distribute content to your best clients, your top fans, your brand ambassadors, so that they can then easily share that out to their friends and family on social media. And so ambassadors, brand fans, brand ambassadors should be looked at as another strategic venue for your distribution outreach. I hope this has been helpful. This is the first in what I assume will be more videos. So again, I'm Austin, Director of Marketing at Social Toaster. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will get back to you ASAP.